time to say hello, goodbye, I'm late. Oh my god. Well, excuse me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am or you have forgotten who I am because it has been so long since I uploaded, hi, how you doing? My name is Deborah Jen. As you can see, we are the White Rabbit, okay? From Alice in Wonderland. I'm doing an Alice in Wonderland series. Very exciting times, y'all. Very exciting times. This costume was inspired by Snook on Instagram. Wee. That's not very White Rabbit-y. Here's a White Rabbit-y shot. I'm late!
Oh my goodness, Whiskers! I'm late!
I am literally the White Rabbit in human form because I am always late, so I think this costume is pretty perfect for me, not to do my own horn, but like, beep beep. Anyways, without further ado, let's get right into this costume, shall we? I'm going to teach you how to do this look, and we had some stumbles upon the way, mostly the whiskers, but my mistakes are your learning points. I don't know what I'm saying. You know what I mean? I made the mistake, so now you don't have to. Okay. So anyways, if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching, little lady. Darling. Okay, many moons later, we're here and we're ready to do our phage, okay? So let's prime the phage, shall we? We're going to be going in today with our Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. So with this primer, you want to let it sit on your skin for about a minute and let it get nice and tacky. And that way your foundation sticks to it like it's never stuck before. Now we're going to be going in with our LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Long Wearing Illuminating Foundation in the color white. Whoa, that's a long name. Okay, I'm sure that all those words probably weren't necessary. Will this be white enough? We'll find out, won't we? I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. Okay, I was going to keep going, but I quite frankly do not have the time. We're literally, quite literally, just putting this all over the face. As if it were regular foundation. You know, actually this is a regular foundation. Quite honestly, it's used for mixing. But, girl, we're going full white today, beach. This might not be white enough, quite frankly. We'll see. Will I need to bust out the clown paint? Maybe. I'm dreaming of a white rabbit. Just like the ones I used to know. We are looking ghostly, bitch. We're looking ghoulish. And may all your Christmases be white. Just another coat, just for good measure. Ooh, we're getting whiter. We are getting whiter, beach. Okay, yeah, we are looking white as fook. So the trick is, you're gonna need 2 coats of this foundation to achieve maximum whiteness. Oh my god. Well, I do be looking silly though, that's for sure. And you're gonna want to get this all up in them ears too, you feel me? Now we're gonna be concealing with the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. I mean, sure, why not? Let's just do it as if it's a regular face of shit. I mean, technically this is regular concealer and it is regular foundation. So perhaps we should highlight the phage the same. We'll see. You know, we're working this out at the same time as you. And again, by we, I just literally mean only just me. Blending that out with my beauty blender, and bitch, if this concealer isn't good, I'm gonna sue. I don't actually think I've ever used this before, but I've had it for like a year. Oh my god, the consistency is not great, but it's already on the face, so like, what are you gonna do? I've heard people love this concealer. So far, I'm not seeing it. Bitch, I'm going to sue the pants off of Santa. Krampus gonna sue the pants off of Santa. Santa's going for a ride. Ay.
Grandpa's gonna sue the pants off of Santa. That's what Grandpa's gonna do. Woo-hoo!
Oh my god, that concealer is not it, fam. We do be looking white, though. I'm gonna go back in with some more of this foundation because, quite frankly, I found that to be a much more pleasant experience than the concealer. If I were to do this again, I think I would throw that concealer in the trash.
20 minutes later.
Apparently, this is a 20-minute foundation blending process. I'm probably gonna cut the time down, but just know I've been blending this foundation for like 15 minutes now, so. Grandpa's gonna sue the pants off a Santa. Okay, we do be looking white. We do be looking white. Oh my god, and I just noticed in this moment how yellow my teeth are. Yeah, nothing like painting your whole face white to notice how absolutely yellow your teeth are. If anyone wants to sponsor me and give me like a teeth whitening deal, your girl needs her teeth whitened, so that would be great. Okay, we do be looking white for the 10th time, and so I'm gonna set my face with this Ben Nye Super White, okay? The whitest powder you can get. Clown lung, oh my god. Did you know that clown lung was a thing? Clowns would breathe in, like the talc, I believe. Jesus Christ. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Clowns would breathe in the talc from their white face powders, and it would give them lung cancer, basically. But it doesn't matter. We do be looking white. I'm just gonna say that throughout the video. We do be looking white, though. We do be looking white. And we're back. And I didn't really say I was going anywhere, but I did. But we're back. And we've got more of our face on. So let's just keep down this road, shall we? We're gonna do the brows first with my Mehron makeup face palette. We're gonna go in with the white. And these are water activated paints. So I'm gonna take my Sigma E65 brush, wet the brush, and then pick up some of the color. And we're gonna start feathering in some brow-like strokes. Boom, and our brows are white as Foot Beach. So let's just start putting on our eyeshadow, shall we? I'm like sitting here pondering life. We're gonna go into our Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. We're gonna go into this very red shade here, Licorice. And I'm gonna take that in on my Morphe M456 brush and just start working that into the crease. Blending, blending, blending. And then with the least amount of product on the brush as possible, we're gonna start winging this out. And just packing it into the outer corner here. This look really isn't hard. No, he's not, Mang. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of the color Fuck. And yeah, that's the color's actual name. And I'm gonna take that in on my P. Louise 117 brush. And just use that to blend up the outer edges ever so slightly so we get an even better gradient. And I'm going to take the color Good Morning in on a Smith 235 brush and blend out the top of that shadow even more. Now I'm just going to go back into that licorice color and continue to blend out this edge to get the shape that I really want. I really, really want it. And we are looking devilish. Now I'm taking my MAC 242 brush and I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of setting spray. Doesn't really matter what setting spray you use, but this is the e.l.f. Mist and Set. And I'm going to pick up this shimmery red here and what? And just place that all over the lid. Now I'm going to pick up some of this raspberry color on a Makeup Shack T58 brush just to deepen up the outer V. Okay, now I'm gonna wing out the eye, and then I will start blushing down the whole face. So I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Paris Carbon Black Linear Intense as my liner today. This stuff never fails me. Okay, now that we are all winged and wunged, let's start blushing the fage. Okay, I'm gonna go back into this color Licorice, and I'm gonna take that in on my Smith 232 brush, and just start swirling this into the face. And you want to have a very small amount of product on the brush when you start, because we really want to just build this color up slowly so that it has a good gradient and isn't super choppy.
Meanwhile.
Wow, I got distracted. Swirly, 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 swirly. Now, so I can get a better idea of where this is all going, I'm gonna do the under eyes. And we're taking, bitch, you guessed it, the color Licorice yet again.
Moments later.
Woo! Well, I look crazy right now, and my teeth look extremely yellow, so that's cute.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
So I'm going to pick up that licorice color with my Morphe M326 and then just dust it under the eye. Now I'm going to just keep blending out this cheek color. Okay, right now I'm just cleaning up this cheek because I decided that I like this side better. And then I think I went too ham on this side, so I'm just putting some powders on that side to kind of even it out. And I'm kind of baking under the cheek just to clean it up underneath. Yeah, this side is looking a lot nicer in my opinion. This side is looking a little like sloppy geisha. Now I'm going to pick some of this Good Morning color up on a Morphe M504 brush just to start blending out those edges even more. It's looking good enough for now. We'll bring it all together by the end of this video, come hell or high water. So let's just move on to shading the nose, shall we? The nose. We're going to actually mix this Good Morning color and this bubblegum color. And we're going to take that in on that same Morphe M504 brush, and we're going to start bringing it around the nose. And I'm just glad we started slow and worked our way up on this nose because I might actually just leave it pink. I don't know if I'm going to bring the red in on the nose. The nose. Maybe just a touch of the licorice color. And I'm going to bake down the center of the nose just a bit with my Morphe E47 brush and that Ben Nye Super White. I'm just going to brush off that bakage. Ooh, that super white really is super white beach. We do be looking white though. And I am going to draw a heart on the nose, and I'm going to make the nose, like the tip, even redder. So let's do a little bit of that, shall we? I'm going to take, yet again, some of this licorice color, bitch, you guessed it. And I'm going to take that in on my Morphe M456 brush and just use it to really make the tip of the nose red. We are going to draw a heart over it, but I want the heart to look kind of like it's glowing. Ooh, we are looking more and more rabbit-like, beach. We are looking so rabbity, it's like not even funny. Like the nose, I feel like really took us there. You can take me there when not the bomb bomb. Okay, we don't have time for monkey business, Deborah. We really don't. Let's get move it, as my mom would say, and start doing more of this face painting because it is 12:30 a.m. and your girl's got a lot more stuff to do before she can go to bed, so hurry up. We are going to go back into my trusty and dusty Mehron Makeup Face Paint palette. I'm going to be going into this. Oh, no, that's pink. We're going to be going into this color right here, the red, boy. And again, these are water activated, so you're going to want to dip your brush into your water and then pick up some of the red paint to draw us a little nosy nose. You're starting to look rabbity goodness, though. Okay, now we're going to just troll this train right out into the station. And we're going to start drawing on some whiskers and whatnot. Taking that same Mehron Makeup Face palette. But this time, my dear, we are going in with the black. Serious black. Oh my god, and I just got black on my finger. That's lovely, Deborah. And we're just going to start drawing some whiskers, bitch. Okay, and now here is where things started to go awry for me. You'll see in a moment. Right now, everything is going smoothly. I'm just drawing some dots where the whiskers will sprout from. And now we are starting to draw the lines. And I don't know why I drew the line at the top first and not at the bottom. You can see me there. I'm a little upset. Oh, I just messed up. Now I'm cleaning it with a Q-tip. It looks okay. I should just leave it, right? Oh, but she's going to go and try to do... Oh, now she smudged it some more. Oh, very good, Deborah. You couldn't just leave well enough alone, could ya? And I f***ed up the whiskers, so I'm cleaning them up with water. Very fun times. That's the joy of a water-activated paint, though. Very easy to fix. Very easy to fix, unless you're a simpleton like me. I don't know. It wasn't working for me today. Usually water-activated paints, you just use a little bit of water, and you can dab your mistakes away. And going in with more of the white foundation underneath because we kind of removed a little bit of the foundation with the water. So I'm just going in and touching that up. I'm angry. You can see it in my face. I'm mad. I'm pissed.
A few moments later.
Honestly, I should have just quit while I was ahead. I should have just left it when I thought I made the first mistake because the first mistake wasn't bad. I'm correcting it again. I'm using some more of the white foundation to kind of cover up the smudging that I did of the black. Oh, and I'm pissed. You can see how mad I am, but honestly, I don't know why I was this mad. I think I had just had a lack of sleep, and I was like, just doom spiraling. And it doesn't look that bad on camera, but in my very close-up magnifying mirror, I was not happy, and oh man, I am pissed! Okay, now I'll fast forward this part, but essentially I just go over it with more foundation and powder and then redraw the lines. We eventually get it to a place where I'm happy with it. Okay, that was an absolute disaster. The whiskers look like shit, but you know, we're a cartoon rabbit, so whatever. We're just gonna move right past it, and we're gonna use the magic of Photoshop to make it look better. The good news is we are really almost done. Let's just draw some hearts on our face and be on our merry way, shall we? We're gonna take that same Mehron black face paint and just draw some hearts. Cute, well, at least the heart turned out. I'm still pissed about these whiskers. Bum, bum. Whatever, we're moving straight along. We're gonna pop on some lashes, okay, beach? And boom, our lashes are on. I decided to just put them both on off camera because that's not interesting content. Okay, now all we have to do is lipstick, y'all, and then we are done. Oh my god, thank god, it's 1 a.m. and I gotta go to bed, people. I'm going to do my top lip black and my bottom lip red. So for the top lip, let's use this NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the color Alien. Okay, and while that dries, I'm going to draw the corners of the mouth up a little bit. And for the bottom lip, I'm going to use the Shane Dawson x Jeffree Star lipstick in Are You Filming? The whole face is done. I'm gonna go change into my little costume or whatever, and then I'll come right back. This has been a very stressful event, but my tip to you would be the whiskers, to draw the hairs first and then draw the little circles. The circles really f***ed me up, and I've been stressed ever since. Be right back.
3:28 a.m.
I'm late, I'm late, I'm late! Well, I'm late for a very important date. No time to say hello, goodbye, I'm late!
No time to say hello, goodbye. I'm late.
But we got the costume done, ladies and gentlemen. Honestly, I feel like I'm moving like a robot because I'm a little stiff and I can't really see with these glasses. But, y'all, the costume came together and I'm feeling really happy about it. Okay, I gotta loosen up. This is what we look like. Do we look like the freaking white bunny or nah, beach? Beach, 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 beach. Okay, I will link all of my accessories below if you guys really want to transform into the white rabbit. Everything I got is from Amazon. It's really cheap. Oh my god, and I'm ruining my nose makeup. Okay. Awesome blossom. Yeah, so, that was a stressful experience. It is 2:08 p.m. Not p.m., bitch. a.m. Okay, I really am moving like a robot. But anyways, we are the white rabbit. We had some struggles, but we made it. So, thanks for watching. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, please, my god, and subscribe to my channel. Oh my god, I would really love that actually quite a lot. Other than that, the question of the day is, what do you want to be for Halloween? It's 2 a.m., I gotta go. Leave me a comment. Even if you're just saying hi, that would be really nice. Okay, that's enough begging though. I'm so sorry, this is getting embarrassing. I'm gonna go TTYL LYLAS swag.